Folks, we're back one other time before. Folks, we're back. Folks, we're back one other time before I got to go to work. Once again, it's very, very windy right now. The high wind event continues, and again, this tree that you can see that still has its yellow leaves on it ended up toppling over with all the high wind overnight. As you can see, this tree that's got the yellow leaves on it ended up toppling over with all the high wind last night. And again, hope you all had a fair, at least okay remainder of Halloween 2019 last night. Again, around 10 after 9 late last night, we had one other round of heavy rain, and it was like a complete downpour and stuff. Then soon after that was when the high wind event was slowly getting started and slowly moving in. Man, the wind's extremely strong right now, and the high wind warning, I think, remains in effect till 1 o'clock till 1 o'clock this afternoon. So wow, look at that tree moving. I just gotta hold on to the camera extra tight here. There's even leaves blowing around and stuff. Luckily for us, we have not lost power so far. I'm sure there may be other people that have, but I mean, our generator system here is pretty good, so. Once again, this tree that's got the yellow leaves on it ended up toppling over overnight in the high wind, with the high wind event overnight. Look at these trees moving here now. Oops, sorry about that. All right. That's as far as I'm gonna bring the vlog and video. I gotta finish getting ready for work. Be safe out there for the rest of the time of the high wind warning event. The rest of this morning till early this afternoon. Be careful of any flying debris you may end up coming across. Again, like we just said, we've already had this tree that's got yellow leaves still all on it and stuff. You know, topple over overnight with the high wind event. So I'm sure maybe some of you have had some at least down tree limbs or down whole trees, entire trees. I mean, there could be some down power lines in other parts of the area. Who knows? But all right, that's all for now. We may talk to you later when we get home from work, depending on how we feel.